Happy Taco Tuesday, everyone. Hope you've had a wonderful day. So I just whipped up earlier today a salad for lunch, a crunchy taco salad with some of my favorite ingredients or whatever I had in my fridge. You can use whatever you have on hand. My ingredients may not be your favorite. You can always substitute something that I use for something that you prefer. So I did have some leftover rotisserie chicken, which I'm heating here in this preheated pan with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to add some green onion to this and some taco seasoning, a little bit of Mrs. Dash, which I add to almost everything because it makes it so flavorful. And these green onions are just right. They're quick to throw into something when you're in a hurry on your lunch break or just looking for a quick, delicious, healthy lunch or dinner. And that was about a teaspoon of taco seasoning that I added to the green onion, the olive oil, and the rotisserie chicken. And I'm just letting this heat up thoroughly. How about you? What's your favorite taco meal for Taco Tuesday? I could just eat just about anything when it comes to Mexican food. I love soft tortilla tacos. I love crunchy tacos. And it looks like this is about ready. So here I'm adding in the Mrs. Dash. It always gives it a great boost of flavor. This is the garlic and herb seasoned Mrs. Dash, and oh my goodness, this is delicious on just about anything. You could put it on spaghetti, anything that you just want to add a boost of flavor to with no salt. Because the taco seasoning here, it has enough salt. And then I'm just going to whip up a little salad dressing for this taco salad. And I happen to have been out of sour cream, so I'm substituting mayo and a little salsa. It's thick and chunky salsa. You can use salsa verde if you prefer, but I'm just going to add in probably about a tablespoon and a half of this thick and chunky salsa. And it happens to be the Great Value brand, which is really, really delicious. And then, of course, my favorite olive oil. I'm going to add in just a little splash of that to give it more of a salad dressing consistency. And I've had this before, and it's really good on more than salad. You can use it as a dip, like a chicken tender dip. And I do have crushed tortilla chips that I'm going to sprinkle on some cheddar cheese, some avocado that I sliced, and of course some chopped romaine lettuce. You can use iceberg lettuce, whichever kind of lettuce you prefer. And I'm just sprinkling on this taco seasoned chicken, and then some cheddar cheese. What's taco salad without cheddar cheese? This is coming together nice. And then of course the sliced avocado. I've got to where I keep this on hand because I love it with so many different meals. And then I'm going to sprinkle on the crushed tortilla chips. It gives it such a good texture. Of course, you could use whole tortilla chips, whatever you prefer. I just like them crushed. It makes it so delicious. And then ever how much salad dressing you prefer. Of course, you could top it with sour cream, salsa verde, whatever you like, but I happen to have had this on hand, so I just make do with what I have in the fridge, and I'm telling you, this is going to be delicious. Delicious. There's delicious and there's delicious. And then I'm just sprinkling on a little bit of green onion to top it off, and then the remaining the tortilla chips that I crushed. Yep. It looks just right. I'm getting ready to take a bite of this. Like I said, it is so quick and easy to put together when you're in a hurry or when you're just craving taco on a Taco Tuesday. And this makes a really, really good meal for the whole family. Look how delicious that looks. so many different flavors in there, many different textures. I might as well be at a Mexican restaurant right now because that's what it looks like to me. And when I tasted this, y'all, it was so good. So delicious. You got to try it. And of course, if you don't like the toppings I used, you definitely, you can add black beans. You could add pinto beans. I was out of cilantro, which I really like on anything Mexican. But had I had cilantro, I would definitely have added cilantro to this salad. It just really gives it a nice flavor. But like I said, just use what you have on hand and let me know if you make this crunchy taco salad and how you prepared yours. And if you have any good ideas of what I could add, let me know. And I hope you subscribe and like this channel.